Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a blog post filter in your WordPress website. Here you can see this is an example. So now these are all the categories for the courses. And here you can see above that search box where you can search anything that will be related to this data. So let's see how you can create this type of blog post filter in your WordPress website. Here you can see this is my demo website and I have added some random blog posts. So now I want to create a blog post filter. Here I need to log in into my website, add wp-admin, and after that next step is click on login button. Then go to pages. Now here you can see I have a page, name is test1. Then I have installed Asta WordPress theme and plugins included. Here you can see Elementor Pro. So just you can install Elementor free version. Now the next step is we need to install a new plugin. Search for filter and grids. Now install this plugin. Here you can see 1000 plus active installations with 5-star ratings. So this plugin is new but getting a lot of reviews. Now here you can see in the menu plugin is available. So now simply go here and click add new post. After that here you can add a name, for example blog post filter 1. Then after that query options, click here, scroll down, and here you can select floating elements, my templates, pages, blog posts. So by default this one is fine. And after that here you can select categories, tags, formats. So now here I can select categories, then scroll down, and here you can see select all button. So now all the categories are selected. Then scroll down, and here you can exclude the posts. That means you can remove posts that you don't want to show. And after that scroll down. So these are some options. Then after that click here publish. Now how you can add and use this filter. Here you can see shortcode option, click here, then scroll up, and after that first option, then you can copy this code, and after that let me go back in the pages, then edit page, and after that click here edit with Elementor. So I want to open this page one time here, then edit with Elementor. And now here you can see Elementor page builder is loading. It will take just few seconds. After that now here we can add a new section. So simply we need to click here plus icon, and after that select flex box. Then at this time I want to add one column row. Then after that click here plus, and now here we need to drag shortcode element here. So let's wait for a few seconds so that it will load. And also if it will take some time, you can reload this page. So now you can click here plus and then search for short code, then add here, and after that paste the short code. And after that, let me remove this navigator, then increase its width to 100%. And after that, publish it, then reload the page. So guys, now here you can see blog post filter is added. Now if you want to select 3 columns instead of 4 columns, how you can do that? Let's go back in the filter settings, then go into layouts and post layout, and after that here you can see on the desktop devices you can replace with 3, and here I can add 2, then click update. Now let's reload the page. Now here you can see it's looking fine. And after that, if you want to add AJAX search box so that someone can enter a keyword, then these posts will be shown. So how you can enable that search box? Here you can see search option, click here, then enable. So by default this is disabled. And also here you can replace the text, button text, and also these are some options, for example autocomplete, so you can disable. And after that click here update. Then again let's reload the page. So that's working fine. Now if you want to change this layout, how you can do that? You can go back. For example, you want to add filter in drop down, then you can go back filter layout, and then you can switch into drop down filter, then click update, then refresh the page. Now here you can see how this looks. So this is up to you, either you want to add drop down or different type of layout for your filter. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.